fish. I got a fish. I got a fish.
No way.
Yeah, dude.
Nice. Yes.
You landed a big one. You landed a big one. Okay.
Here, get it.
Do it, do it.
It's you.
You, bro.
It's you.
You.
I don't think it's big. I think it's large or something. Well, it feels okay.
Hell yeah, dude.
Striper, bro.
Finally. We're here. Boom, baby. Boom. Yeah, baby. Awesome. Woo, your first one, dude.
This is your fish, bro.
No, you got it. Yeah, buddy.
There we go.
First one for Steve Zapp.
Oh, God. That's Johnny's fish. Johnny's ball.
Look at that little bud. Oh my God, that's a beautiful fish.
Little boy.
Dude, awesome. You can toss it in the water. Alright, so they're here. Caught it on this.
Let's do it. Good job, brother.
First one for the season for Mr. Zapp. Yeah, buddy.
Go tight on Johnny's rod, though.
Broke the skunk finally, so.
I was just helping him out.
So this is where we at. It's cold. It's like what, 36? A couple water droplets here and there. Man, hopefully we'll catch another one. I had a good feeling about today. And then Mikey told us about the spot too. Mikey Griffin.
Then you left us. You got a line? Do you want to set one up on that one?
What?
I'll see if I catch one on the fish. Good job, Johnny boy. Huh?
Just the one. Somebody dumped their worms here.
Huh?
Somebody dumped their worms there.
Where?
Right there.
Huh?
Right there. I'm like, what? More worm for us. No, I think that's the current.
I heard your bell. bell ring for a second.
I heard something pull. I really thought it was you. Huh. I got a fish. I got a fish. I got a fish. I got a fish.
No way.
Yeah, dude.
Nice. Yes.
Small one too.
Oh, dude, that's a nice one.
Ooh.
Nice job, buddy.
Damn, finally. Small, but.
Oh, that.
Alright, I know where they at, dude. What happened?
Oh, that's like a blade. Come on, just a little fish, bud.
I'm gonna let him go.
I heard the bell go off, but I looked at your pole and it wasn't moving.
No? I saw it. I'm like, is that Zap or is that a fish? It's time to call it quits for today.
That's right, fall quits. Going home, getting warm, getting something to eat.
To the next one.
To the next one.
To the next one.
Tomorrow's a new day. Over and out. JC Travels. Put you on the meat.
Just in case I'm recording you, Mikey, for research purposes.
Yeah. Right now?
Yes, recording.
How you guys doing? Staying out today. My friend Johnny.
Boyfriend.
No. You got it wrong. I like that duck over there.
You like ducks?
Is that you? Oh, here you get hit.
No, I wish I got hit. You got hit. Mikey, what happened to the bag?
Whoa. They're going to my pocket there.
You telling me you got the sandworms in your pocket?
Right there.
That's all you have?
Oh,
The bag's right there, bro.
yeah. That's Christmas sweatshirt.
You're
What? Tell me.
you're interesting. Your methods are very interesting. Oh, it's called Pretenders Back on the Chain Gang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My fisher partner.
We're gonna be fishing more. you know.
In life.
Partner in life.
Yeah. Creek chub.
Creek chub.
That's your group, Creek chub?
Creek chubs.
You did creek chubbing. Creek chubbing.
Creek chubbing.
No. No, is that going
over there for you to chub on.
Is that going on your website, Johnny?
It's gonna go YouTube.
Yeah. No, good day of fishing. Raining, windy. Still
So cold, yeah.
Yeah, still cold. Water's kind of high.
We're gonna try tomorrow.
Try tomorrow, yeah.
All right, guys.
Somewhere in
Peace
New
out.
Jersey.
Somewhere in New Jersey. Peace out, people.
Bye.